Your Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, Madam Margaret Kenyatta, distinguished Kenyans, brothers and sisters, I'm here today among you, fellow Kenyans, to share your grief and present our heartfelt condolences from Ethiopia on behalf of the Ethiopian government and the people of Ethiopia, and that of my own, on the passing away of late President Arap Moi. President Arap Moi was a true friend of Ethiopia. During his long reign at the helm of this country, our two countries have enjoyed excellent relations, which was seen through the achievements that we have registered both at the national and regional level. We will always remember the fundamental role that he has played in the formation of our regional organization, IGAD, back in 1986, but also the contribution that he has made in the revitalization of IGAD in 1996 while he was heading the organization. The role that he has played both in Sudan to bring peace between Sudan and South Sudan, as well in Somalia, are also big achievements that this region has registered. We miss President Arap Moi, and we will continue working on his legacy so that the excellent relations that have always existed between Ethiopia and Kenya continues. I would like to really present once again our condolences to the government and people of Kenya, but also to the bereaved family of President Moi. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much.